टटिया चाटूंगा मैं.
हेलो
निखिल यार इधर आएगा.
यस सर
सारी टटियां तेरी.
हगमगा दूंगा मैं.
The thing is, I've been for the
हर सुबह तेरी
and you
गंदी
know,
मुंड
and
चाटूंगा
I
मैं.
feel like people. So for example, I think people who dabble with the Hello tunes, they change it up every now and then. They're like 6 7 months, they want a new beat. He's got the same for the past year and a half. It's the same thing.
There are-
But I'm just like, what the fuck?
There are two types. There's also like the caller tune loyalists who'll have the same thing for fucking 15 years and they won't change it, you know.
Are there? Wow.
There are those also.
You've read the anthropological study on this phenomenon.
Yeah, might have an uncle or two. Might not.
Wow.
Hmm.
So they're exploding pagers now. This is the new. People thought cyber is the wars are happening on the cyber front now. Little did they know that we're going to travel back in time.
Now they know.
they were like, we're done with hot wars. It's going to be cyber crimes. China's going to hack our cars. All the smart cars will be
Yeah.
fucking running into each other. It's the leave the world alone. Sorry.
I've seen this movie.
Right.
I think, yeah, I
It's
think
that
so.
shit. It's that shit. But actually, it's pagers. हाँ इसको कुछ चाहिए.
हाय निखिल भाई क्या हाल है? कुछ भी ठंडा पिला दे.
पोल का वो पिला दे वही बढ़िया और क्या. हाँ तेरे इसको.
पॉपी आते हैं.
And did you? So do you know that basically these fuckers, they developed. I think they infiltrated the entire supply chain to be able to pull this thing off. Okay, and then you know what they did? They sold them to Hezbollah. So Hezbollah
Oh.
paid to get murked.
Oh.
Well, this is the one. Listen, a good Jew finds the profit
Yeah.
in every opportunity.
Hey, you know Mossad is great, no?
Yeah. Yeah, well, it's Israel.
They got a rap, yeah.
Yeah, they got In Israel, you don't just get murked because of political inconvenience. You know.
Hezbollah is Iran, no?
Hezbollah, yeah, Hezbollah is Iran. It's also Lebanon also.
Lebanon.
Right. That's where all this has happened. Operation Northern Arrows, they've launched a new one, na?
New Arrow launched.
They're airborne. They've been fucking carpet bombing.
Nice.
Yeah. What are these fucking dumbass names, huh?
Yeah.
Operation Southern Shadow.
Operation Chota Chetan. This is the one I want to see.
Yeah.
Thank you, Nikhil bhai. Hi. Thank you so much.
Operation Chota Chhatri. They gotta have some. I mean, if I was in charge of the naming, I would make it metal as fuck. Operation Endless Pain. You know.
Operation Internal Damnation.
Yes.
Yeah.
Operation Hellish Genocide. No, that's too literal.
Operation Heavenly Genocide.
That's too literal.
Heavenly Genocide.
Heavenly, yeah. Yeah. So that's cool. I mean, I like that.
Yeah.
तू बता क्या चल रहा है?
पापा ने गाड़ी ठोक दी.
Whoa, the only car that has been in use of the three.
Yes.
The 33% of the car that you actually use has now been what? It's off the road. It's out of commission.
No, I brought it right now. So, but it's gonna go tomorrow to the. It's just पीछे से right side.
They're going to Amritsar or something, no?
They went to Ajmer for one day.
Okay.
Yeah, which is some 420 kilometers or something one way. Some shit. I don't know.
One way. So one day up and down.
Yeah.
Is your father is
Yeah.
is a
It's
beast.
nuts actually.
He's an animal. No, he's an animal. Listen,
Yeah.
but I like it.
So did the truck driver who probably nudged him from the back.
Achha, you got nudged from the back.
On
that's
the back right side, and it's just pretty scratched up, but otherwise it's really just the bumper also
It
came
fits
off
with your
some
overall
shit.
aesthetic anyway. So it's
Yeah,
not
yeah,
much of,
I'm
not
like-
too much of a departure
I'm like
from,
इसे art बोलते
from the
हैं.
way you carry on a pretty regular
It's like
basis.
किसी ने ऐसे claws से खरोच दिया है. I'm like ये aesthetic है.
Well,
Bumper का भी थोड़ा चोट मचे, but
well,
ठीक
it's
है.
not gonna, yeah.
Right.
If it works, it works.
Yeah, but tomorrow it's going in apparently, so then there will be no cars.
Nice. So how are you gonna go on a date? On an Uber Moto?
देखता हूँ.
She'll pick you up.
Hmm.
Hey, it's 2024. Start picking us up, ladies.
Yeah, what
Come on,
the
man.
fuck?
Yeah, the fuck?
सारा पेट्रोल का खर्चा हमें उठाना पड़ता है.
Wow. Damn, man.
देखिए महंगाई.
You don't have to get so real.
देखिए महंगाई.
It's only a joke.
क्रूड के भाव बढ़ रहे
तो
हैं.
ये लड्डू को पोलिटिसाइज कर रहे तूने ये लड्डू सीन देखा ये तो मैं हंसते हंसते मर गया ब्रो I couldn't for the life of me figure out why is this such a big problem.
लड्डू.
Yeah, have you not, do you not know about this?
No, no.
It's insane. Hold on.
कोई सैफरन लड्डू आया मार्केट में क्या है?
Politicizing the laddu. Hold on.
ये तो हमने भी किया था लास्ट एपिसोड में.
Politicize the laddu. I guess it was more in jest. What the fuck is up with the app? Piece of shit. I'm gonna have to enter the URL. On the Safari. Open Safari. Safari. The Hindu. It's the Hindu. Politicizing the laddu. On Tirupati laddu and its adulteration. The Tirupati laddu issue should not be limited to one of quality control. On the face of it, the allegations are rather serious. The adulteration of ghee used in the making of Tirupati's famed laddu prasadam with foreign fat.
अडल्ट्रेशन क्या है? उसको सेक्स सीन में डाल दिया.
Ah.
क्या अडल्ट्रेशन?
Former BJP MP Subramaniam Swamy has even sought a Supreme Court monitored probe
For the laddu.
for the laddus.
Crazy.
On the adulteration of laddus. Unsurprisingly, the Hindu has reported the adulteration charges do not seem to have deterred devotees from making the arduous journey to the hilltop temple, nor has it slowed down the sale of the laddus. Where's the problem?
Laddus are the new cows.
BJP faces tough challenges to retain power in Haryana and Maharashtra.
Because of the laddus.
So no.
I bet the laddus.
No. They're saying that the laddus are their way to show that they're still fighting for the underdog.
I can't wait to see the laddus in their next manifesto.
Wait till you hear this. In the quality test by the Center for Analysis and Learning in Livestock and Food,
Oh,
calf.
teri.
This just
Shabash.
I got me on the floor.
Whoever did this, I love them. Whoever made this.
I'll repeat that for the audience. In the quality test by the Center for Analysis and Learning in Livestock and Food, calf, in Anand, Gujarat. Of course, it's Gujarat. Laddu samples were received on July 9 and results submitted on July 16. Jesus Christ. Moreover, the analysis mentions the range of what it considers to be foreign fat from soybean, olive, sunflower, rapeseed, Badlapur,
Excuse you?
cotton seed,
Excuse you, man.
to fish oil,
This
palm
is
oil.
a family podcast.
Hold on. To courtesy fish oil, palm oil, beef tallow.
Oh.
They're saying they might be mixing. Well, I guess that would anger some people.
Beef laddus.
Beef laddus, dude.
Yes, sir.
Well, I'm down. Weren't they just called kofta kebabs? What happened to?
Kofta kebab.
Isn't it?
Just koftas, by the way. But yeah. Beef laddu. I can't wait for the South Park episode on that.
This is hilarious. It's just like
Yeah.
it's just the knots we tie ourselves into in the interest of democracy.
We're pretty bendy, aren't we? That's all that yoga origin.
Nice.
Have you seen all this Bham Gosra, these Coldplay tickets?
Yes, off kick.
Off kick?
It's the platform that bought those 30,000 rupee tickets and they're reselling them for 125 or something like that, no? Isn't it?
Some shit like that.
How many of those tickets did they buy?
No fucking idea. But people, all I'm seeing is like people crying on Instagram.
और
and
कुछ
shit.
टिकट 5 लाख की भी बिक रही हैं वो कौन सा है? मैं तो कहता हूँ कि I mean, I don't get it. Like, I guess there are tiers. They must have bought 30,000 rupees. Is at least a VIP. If it's not I mean, the backstage pass is probably like the one that's selling
Backstage 30 का नहीं होगा.
for...
मतलब
Backstage तो
some
1.5 का होगा. मैं वही कह रहा हूँ ना, 1.5 का पैकेज और 5 का बेचते तो वो 3x कर रहे हैं. तो देख भाई मैं कहता हूँ.
So regular standing was 6.5 or 7
एक
or
बात
some
बता
shit.
यार, the guy who's dropping $7,000 on a fucking concert. To him, it's
And Coldplay, by the way.
and yeah. Listen,
I mean,
I
they're
can't-
good live apparently,
I
but
can't-
I can't give a shit for
I
their
can't
music.
even take. Yeah, like why am I supposed to give a fuck? Because like I'm not in that boat, dude. Like I can't think along the lines of someone who's like, yeah, fuck it, I'll drop 7K on a fucking concert ticket,
No.
right? I mean, yeah, it's probably a drop in the bucket. It doesn't matter, you know. So yeah, boohoo, wow, big whoop. Also Coldplay. So unless you're living in 2012, man, the show's over.
Yeah.
They've done it. Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
There's nostalgia.
Their music's never been for me.
Yeah, well, there's nostalgia. That is what I'm saying. I mean, I've just,
There's nostalgia if you liked it once upon a time. Not if it was just around
No,
and you were
no,
like,
not for me. Yeah, for that. Yeah, like of course I heard the tracks and I was aware of them, but
A
it was
couple of
never-
songs are good for me, but otherwise it's
Fireflies. What else?
क्या है बहनचोद?
यही तो गा रहा है. Fireflies नहीं है वो.
क्या कहते हैं उसे? ज्वालामुखी नहीं,
Fire-
क्या जुगनू?
It was all yellow. Those are the songs I know.
हाँ,
Those are the
सब
only.
पीला.
Those are the only
क्या
two
मुंह
songs
मुंह
I
तो
know.
दिया के?
And they're
सब
not
पीला.
for me. Yeah, listen, I don't get that
Oh.
you know, like they're emotional, sentimental. I'm not that kind of guy. So that music has never been for me.
No, I am that. I just find as a guy who listens to a lot of sentimental music also, sure, there's a lot better writing and composition out there for me that I just,
Yeah.
they never did it for me. There are other artists. I am into that kind of whatever expression, but not theirs.
You're a bit of a gay soul boy.
Yeah, I'm a Fruit Loop.
Yeah. You're a fruitcake.
Hmm.
Cool. Who cares?
Not me.
Yeah.
रोते रहो बहन चो टिकट्स नहीं मिले
Huh.
चूतियों hey man, it is what it is. So anyway, you remember I told you about the argument I have with my dad that I'm totally winning?
Oh.
Now
Argument,
to-
you told me you were going to threaten him.
Yeah. So now to
You're
it's
gonna
become
threat-
now I've just got see when a man is patient before striking,
Uh-huh.
you see that sometimes like the odds build in your favor as they have now.
Mm,
अब तो वो गाड़ी भी आउट ऑफ कमीशन होगी. My argument is very simple. कल
Hmm.
जाने तो दे गाड़ी को.
correct.
Hmm.
Nice.
कल मेरे पास दिन में टाइम है फाइट करने का तो मैं करूंगा.
There's-
आज मेरे पास टाइम वक्त नहीं
To
है.
bring you up to speed, this man is trying to extort his father by threatening to take a loan. इसका प्लान ये है कि अपने बाप को बोलेगा कि सुनो तुम नई गाड़ी ले लो नहीं तो मैं लोन ले लूंगा. अब
हाँ, अब-
मेरा बाप होता ना तो वो मैं इसको बता चुका. मेरा बाप होता हाँ ले लोन.
But-
उखाड़ ले जो उखाड़ना है.
बट मेरे बाप को पता है मैं
तुम लोग के बाप भी यही करते हैं. मैं बता रहा हूँ इसको ना पता नहीं क्या उसको लगता है ये माय फादर वो
मेरे बाप को पता है कि मैं फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट हूँ. इसका मतलब ये है कि मैं गरीब हूँ. तो क्योंकि तो मैं इनसे अब पैसे नहीं लेता बेसिकली थोड़ा लेता हूँ हर महीने. छोटा सा अलाउंस
Yeah,
है.
yeah. The
not
Greeb,
too much.
the
हाँ.
classic, yeah, the first in line to get loans, the Greeb.
राइट.
Isn't
हाँ
it? Yeah.
हाँ तो मैं थ्रेटन कर दूंगा कि भाई मेरे को फाइनेंशियली क्रिपल तो कर देगा ये चीज, लेकिन आप जिद पे अड़े हो. There's fucking 3 cars, 2 of them. No, I'll just ask him. Look,
I'll tell you how I'm thinking.
look. I'm just gonna ask him. I'm gonna say, "Hi, Dad. Good morning. How many cars do we have?" He'll say 3.
Yeah.
I say incorrect. We have 1 car and 2 pieces of garbage. Okay,
Correct.
because these things are fucking in the garage half the fucking
You
time.
don't. The backstory doesn't matter. The threat on his promise, for example, even if you were to fail the loan, he's like, okay, listen, I'll just fucking get you out of the loan when you're fucking not being able to make your payments, man.
But at least
I'm
I'll have
just
got
saying-
at least I'll have gotten another car.
Or he could just sell the car and then settle the
Yes,
loan.
that is the no.
What?
He
can
needs
do
to get
that.
rid of one of the existing cars that doesn't.
You don't.
no.
You haven't thought this through.
I have.
No, you haven't.
अरे मैं मना लूंगा मेरे
You
बाप
are
को.
not a financial wizard. You know this. Stop.
अरे,
kidding
but I'm a
yourself.
manipulation
Stop fooling
wizard.
yourself. This fucking.
I am manipulation
Anyway,
wizard.
just let us know in the comments if this harebrained scheme of his is likely to work. Okay, I'll put money on it. Listen, let's get a pool going.
बहुत
Let's get a pool going. Yes or no? Okay, 500 a pop. We got a pool going. Well, I don't know if I can gamble. Listen, listen. Do not comment your UPI ID in the comments.
कर ली डेट बिट खुद से बात है.
मैं कर ली. मैं बता रहा हूँ कि पता नहीं भरोसा नहीं है कि मैं ऐसे गैम्बलिंग तो नहीं करवा रहा. मेरे को लीगल तो नहीं है. मेरे पास लाइसेंस नहीं है भाई ये सब करने के लिए. सॉरी कोई सट्टा नहीं लगा रहे. माय बैड.
भोसड़ी वाले. ये बात बताइयो गार्ड के बाद. ऐसा पहले कब हुआ है हमारे पूरे ऑलमोस्ट 40 एपिसोड की हिस्ट्री में कि तूने कहा लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट्स एंड पीपल हैव लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट्स.
I am covering my ass. That's what it is. Listen, I'm surrounded by lawyers. Okay, I know what it is. Like when I've initiated, for example, I want to just nip it in the bud the possibility of someone, by their action incriminating me. But I've invited the incriminatory incriminations. I don't know what the
वेरी
fuck.
नाइस. ये 2-4 और मार दे. हाँ?
Incriminology.
Incriminality. Incriminality. Incriminality.
Shut up.
Okay. Loser. Anyway, my threat's gonna work. एंड बाय द न्यू ईयर्स एक और गाड़ी आ जाएगी, या तो हम 4 लगाएंगे व्हिच वुड एब्सोल्युटली मेक नो सेंस, या एक वो
You've
निकाल
got you've got a fucking pipe dream, bro. It's a fantasy if you think your father's
नोट
triple
करके
fucking-
देख ले, इट्स गोना वर्क.
The fuck is this? Shut up, man. Hold on.
कौन है?
Ma, I'm recording the podcast, okay?
नमस्ते आंटी. अच्छा बाय द वे,
Uh,
नहीं आ जा वापस.
this fucking guy suspense account. I hate this accountants. Have you ever given there's a suspense
I
account?
also hate accountants.
Yeah.
हाँ,
Because there's some of these charges. Why does Google Pay? Listen, I buy
it's
domains.
in between
I
the
buy emails.
transaction, no?
Yeah, so on the credit card thing, they never show Google Pay subscription thing. It'll just be like some fucking code. It'll be like Google QX 5974. It's gonna be some shit like that. So it becomes part of the suspense account, and then every quarter I have to review the suspense. Oh, what's suspense?
काश यहाँ भी थोड़ा suspense होता.
Where's the murder weapon?
Wow.
It's just the name is what gets me. Suspense account. Sir, suspense clear कर दोगे? ऐसे मैसेज आते हैं, कहते हैं सर can you please clear
Suspense.
sir can you please clear suspense?
हाँ, मुझे नहीं पता
It's the wife.
बाहुबली ने कटप्पा को क्यों मारा.
It's the wife. She
हाँ?
plotted with her
नहीं,
affair.
कटप्पा ने बाहुबली, किसने किसको मारा? हाँ, वही सस्पेंस ये था ना, कटप्पा ने बाहुबली को क्यों मारा.
बिपाशा
हमें नहीं पता.
बिपाशा बासु असली में अक्षय खन्ना के साथ है. होता ना रेस में
बट थी तो वो क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो के साथ.
रेस this is race cast have I said it right? It's Akshay Khanna, no?
अक्षय खन्ना. हाँ
Is
हाँ हाँ
the younger brother, right? And Bipasha Basu
करेक्ट
is secretly fucking him,
करेक्ट
fucking over Saif Ali Khan.
तेरे को याद है बड़ा बॉलीवुड के दीवाने.
मैं दीवाना हूँ भाई.
दीवाना.
हाँ, इसको दीवाने.
दीवाना चंडोक.
Yeah.
You know Bipasha Basu had a brief fling with Cristiano Ronaldo?
Who asked?
So I thought you don't know, man. It's pretty interesting.
No, I did not know that. That's interesting.
Yeah, thanks.
She settled for some loser TV loser, huh?
Yes, she did settle for a loser TV loser.
What the fuck? But she was a piece back in the day, I guess, you know.
Karan, what, Grover or something?
Sometimes I guess some women just want a man who doesn't threaten them, you know, in the sense. Like if she got married to someone who's a lot more attractive, maybe they had other options.
Ooh.
It is that. Sometimes
I
you
guess
want,
it can be, yeah.
yeah, you want someone who's like, अच्छा यार इसको मुझसे बेटा तो नहीं मिलेगी piece.
But Bipasha had really fallen off
Mm.
before she got married. She was not it at all.
Yeah, I guess if a career isn't doing well, who the fuck needs to marry you? You know. Well, I agree.
Okay.
Listen, these things, you know, love, romantic love. People get, people are silly. People are naive about romantic love.
Okay. Do tell. Go on.
It's
Let's make it that
listen,
episode.
marriage has historically been a consolidation of assets to provide a stable future.
Marriage is a consolidation of asses?
Assets, correct? It
Assets,
is. It's
yeah.
assets and assets.
Right. You mush them together.
Well, assets and assets.
They're both mushed and
well, the
smushed.
assets
Yeah?
are titties also, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, romantic love has only been a prominent feature in popular culture since Shakespeare. So it really is about 400 years compared to 200,000. Listen, do you think the hottest fucking lady in the tribe was like, I'm gonna marry this loser who makes clay idols, or was she gonna marry the top hunter? He gets the fucking the best cows.
Are you calling Bipasha the top lady in the tribe?
Nay. I just went on a tangent. So anyway, Bipasha Basu's fell down the hole, huh?
Fell down the hole. Wow.
Fell down the hole. Fell off the ladder. What is it called? What did I say? Because that's shit. I was trying to go for something.
Into the volcano? I don't know.
Fell off a cliff.
Yeah.
Fell off a cliff. That's what it
Sure.
is. It's not fell down the hole. Well, I guess I was
A
mixing it
cliff
up.
is a hole of a kind.
Good. Thanks. Good. Hole of a kind. भोसड़ी का.
Oh, man.
और बताओ और क्या हुआ है कुछ मजेदार. और असेंबली इलेक्शन हो रहे हैं. असेंबली इलेक्शन कहते हैं हरियाणा हारने वाली है बीजेपी.
अच्छा.
हरियाणा का बताओ वो चूतिया वो बंदे ने कुछ काम करा है नहीं ढंग का apparently.
कौन
I
है?
mean that's what
कट्टर
I've
है?
been. Cutter only, correct, you're right. That fellow that apparently is on the out.
कट्टर नहीं खट्टर.
Whatever the fuck it is.
कट्टर कुछ और होता है.
खट्टा और मीठा हो भाई मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. जो करना कर अपनी जिंदगी तेरी जिंदगी है भाई. कुछ लोग होते हैं मीठे होते हैं ना
मुझे तो कड़वा लग रहा है.
मीठे होते हैं ना लोग. मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता. Do what you want, man. Live and let live.
वाह यार,
Jizz and jet jizz. Jizz jet. I made it jet instead of let.
तेरी कितनी evolved speech और सोच दोनों है.
Correct.
Hmm.
Well, I'm a philosopher. It's what it is, you know.
Yeah, philosopher.
Philosopher.
FLAW.
I'm a philosopher. That's what dentists are.
Wow. Oh my god.
So yeah, you were about to say something. when
Yeah, I was
said-
gonna add to this rot, and then I decided I'm not gonna do one more.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
You'll only be doing yourself a disservice
Correct.
because you don't have anything funny to contribute.
Yeah, I do have something, but it's probably not funny. Anyway, ये अभी मोदी जी.
You literally repeated what I said.
हाँ, thank
Just in a roundabout manner. You love doing this. Anyway, go on. Modi ji क्या? क्या?
मोदी जी न्यूयॉर्क में है.
हाँ मुझे पता है ज़ेलेंस्की को भी मिल के आ रहा है वो.
ज़ेलेंस्की से बड़ा पता है और किससे मिल के आ रहा है?
किससे मिल के आ रहा है?
हनुमान काइंड से मिल के आ रहा है.
हनुमान काइंड से मिल के आ रहा है.
हनुमान काइंड ने वहाँ न्यूयॉर्क में मोदी जी के उस इवेंट पे परफॉर्म किया है.
Wow.
एंड वहाँ मोदी जी
Big dog. It's the
I-
big-
हाँ, हाँ.
मोदी जी बिग डॉग ही तो हैं.
बिग डॉग. तो अमित शाह भी होगा वहीं पे. बिग डॉग्स ऐसा है.
We get it. Next.
Then हाँ, so and this is real, by the way. He came onto stage. Modi said Jai Hanuman and gave him a hug. it's viral. He said because he meeting Hanuman kind, he said Jai Hanuman. There's audio of him saying it. It's
That's
real.
so cool. That's so cool.
And hugged him. And since the morning, I've been,
You think if
I've
he
been seeing
meets
indie musicians
us in-
hating on Hanuman kind.
He meets us in the future and he's gonna say Jai Gaon Mata.
Damn. But another the social impact of that I've been seeing is I've been seeing indie rock boys and shit hate posting for Hanuman kind today because it's like they're saying ko Modi signed this bill CA NRC wala all the stunt workers in Hanuman kind's video will probably be forced to leave India because of that law because apparently those guys I don't know something
If they're illegal, then they should leave.
something if they can't
If
prove
they're illegal immigrants, get them the fuck out. It's the
Some-
law of the land.
and Hanuman kind hugged him on stage. That's what I'm seeing. That's the Instagram.
I get it.
Instagram
The
people
optics, people don't like the
advocacy.
aesthetics of the man. You know,
You're always gonna see
and of
Instagram
course, listen,
advocacy on it and everything.
भाई अब मैं क्या बोलूं? What the fuck am I supposed to say? People are just people love to actually just make a fuss about it also on the internet. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. You have to think about it this way also, man. You know, people say this government doesn't like being snubbed, it doesn't like dissent and shit. So is it in Hanuman Kind's best interest for the security of his future?
What should he
artistic career?
do? Modi's
Yeah,
coming
what
to
should he-
hug him. Should
Can
he push
snub-
him away
no,
or
can he
what?
snub Modi? No, if the prime minister, you know, so dude, you can't in the same
Woo!
you can't-
Landed it.
You can't in the same breath call him an authoritarian, scary man, scary guy, big guy, and then also say कि भाई ये कैसे कर रहा है उसके लिए पता नहीं है मैं क्या. But people also have, you know, well, all people are hypocritical.
What is he supposed to do?
Yeah,
I thought it's pretty cool. He said Jai Hanuman.
it's hilarious.
I thought
It's hilarious because the thing is, he didn't say it ironically.
Yeah.
You and I would have said it ironically. He means it. to him, it's like, by Jai Hanuman, tum Hanuman kind. You are chosen the righteous path.
Yeah, बाल ब्रह्मचारी होगा, है ना?
What a good Indian rapping in a American accent. I love that.
Jai Hanuman.
Yeah, exactly. He'll take what he can get. You know, is what it is.
Yeah, why not?
But it's also, I mean, yeah. Well, who's to say that's the only version of Indian? It's a bit of
No, of course
vastly,
not.
yeah. We have massive diaspora. We are. Who's to say? I said it, by the way.
Hmm.
I made the joke, and now I'm yeah doing the Gemini.
Mr. Flip.
वो तू है साले.
पता है.
Nice, Jai Hanuman.
ज्ञान गुणसागर जय कबीर थे उन लोगों को उजागर.
I only know the Jai Hanuman Gyan Gunsagar उतना ही बताया.
Oh, I know the whole thing.
Of course you do. I never said it actually. My family never. Yeah. What is it?
What?
The whole thing? I don't know.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुरु सुधार बन्नौ रघुवर विमल जसु जो दायक फलचार बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरौ पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहे हरहु कलेश विकार जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस्ति हुनलोक उजागर रामदूत अतुलित बलधामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन वरण विराज सुबेसा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा हाथ वज्र ध्वजा विराजे कान्हे मूंज जनेहु साजे शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सिया ही दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे लाए सजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हर्षि उर लाए रघुपति किन्हीं बहुत बढ़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरतरि संभाई सहस बदन तुम रोज जस गावे अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे संकाटिक ब्रह्मांडी मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित ईसा जम कुबेर तिक बाल चाहते कवि कोविड कही सके कहाते तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीन्हा राम विलाय राजपद दीन्हा.
Is that it?
No, there's more.
Jesus Christ.
It's 40 lines.
Holy fuck me. Bars, but there's bars, but I need music with it. I can't do raw. I can't do just the vocals.
Actually,
I don't want to do vocals tracking.
Actually, this thing needs a hip hop version.
That's what I'm saying, yeah.
Because there are versions of it with music, but I'm sorry, with all respect to all these bhajan kirtan veterans and all, it sucks ass.
No, there were bars there. There's exactly.
And they do it.
Good producer.
Shri Guru Charan Saroj Raj. So वैसे 15 मिनट का हो जाता है उसमें भी.
Good Lord.
So, and it's
I mean,
the
no,
same
it's good.
thing,
It's good devotional stuff. It's.
I think Hariharan Nigaya. It's very good, but it has no spice. It can definitely be like rapped. It can मतलब होना चाहिए उसका एक version.
Correct. That's what Hanuman kind should do actually. Hanuman Chalisa.
हाँ.
है ना? It makes sense.
Right. Yeah.
He's already been called.
Yeah. Sri Guru Charan Saroj Raj.
Big stepper. Yeah.
Big stepper. Hanuman, they say when he flew, it was that his steps were that big. Anyway, so big stepper. It's like he jumped.
When he flew, his steps were big. I don't know.
It was like so Hanuman could fly, but technically he was doing a big jump.
Got it.
Is the thing that Hanuman could jump so far that he was flying.
So the image of him flying with the Govardhan Parvat, the booty, Sanjeevani booty, that's false. He's not flying. He's jumping. He should be more portrait.
You know how they blur the lines with the powers and shit, but yeah.
Oh, of course, it's more symbolic.
Yeah,
it's the symbol is from far away.
But he did one jump from there. It's not like he landed anywhere in between. So I mean, of course, he could jump across the earth. It's a fly, but whatever. Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna go into the rationale of his powers. He literally he was brahmachari. He was brahmachari, so he didn't fuck. But when he was flying,
is that what brahmachari means?
Yes,
celibate.
Yeah, virgin. Yeah, celibate. Yeah, but he still had a son.
It's not necessarily. Is it virgin or is it celibate?
Oh, because maybe you can become brahmachari afterwards.
Yes, absolutely. Because it is with the Christians that
correct. Certainly. But he had a son, Makar Dhwaj, if I'm not wrong. And how did that son happen? He was flying across the ocean over Lanka. I think it was because he was sweating.
He was sweating.
He was sweating, and a drop of I guess from the exertion of that, and a drop of sweat fell into the ocean and into the mouth of this crocodile, demoness lady, who then became pregnant from his pasina. Something like that. And Makar Dhwaj, then his son, then became the guardian of the gates of hell. Makar Dhwaj. Maybe because mummy Magarmach thi na shayad. So Makar Dhwaj. But it's
I don't mean to laugh. I think I need to get this information in a different format. I can't be listening to you fucking talk to me about this shit because I'm just gonna laugh like that. I feel like I need to read it or I need to. Yes, absolutely. Right. Like I said in the last episode, the medium is the message. Right. I can't help but somehow laugh at some of the mythology. It's also my shortcoming. It's not just you.
I mean, all these things are just lessons.
Oh, actually. Is it? Achha.
So don't sweat in front of ladies.
Okay.
Pasina na chhod ke aaye yaar.
I'll get them fucking
It's don't leave women with DNA evidence.
Uh-huh.
You
Well, I
know?
don't know what the hell you're getting up to with the lady. I feel like I can leave evidence and not be
No,
perturbed.
no, same.
Be like, yeah, well,
I'm
I
just
don't know,
trying to.
you brought it up.
I'm just trying to extract the Vedic lesson out
Achha.
of it.
Oh.
I'm really just trying to interpret
Shut up.
the mythology.
Enough.
Stop sweating.
So Atishi has been sworn in, huh?
What has she done?
I don't know.
I asked last episode. I'm asking now
We'll ask
again.
every
What
week.
has she done?
Every week, listen, this is a
Every-
new segment where every week we're going
Is
to
the
review
Atishi watch?
we're gonna review Atishi.
Taw.
Atishi Marlena. Atishi Marlena Pidlena.
Marlena?
Marlena, that's her name is Marlena.
No wonder she dropped the surname.
Atishi, what do you mean drop the surname?
She only uses her first name. She does not use even in contesting. It's not. She doesn't stand as. I didn't know her surname.
It is Atishi Marlena. Pidlena.
I thought. Oh, I guess that's why I said no wonder she doesn't use the surname. Mat marna. Atishi maar lena. You think we need to? Well, we don't have that American culture here.
Atishi प्यार देना उसको प्यार देना
We don't have that American culture here.
What do you mean by that?
If they had, do you think those hicks need half an excuse to burk any of their people at power? If somebody's called Maar Lena in their surname, you know they're getting taken care of in the US.
I don't know about that.
No?
The people have been murdered here, man. People get murdered here pretty easily, dude.
But leaders not as much. I guess. At least they have a richer history of it.
What is
Well,
the-
we have
hold on.
we have a richish history of it.
Yeah.
But
yeah, I get it.
our attempts have been
I get it.
less in
I
recent
get a
times.
recent history
Yeah.
in mind. There haven't been any attempts on for example, the president's life
Yeah,
twice.
in a
Yeah,
while.
for example,
Yeah.
yes.
Things have gotten boring here.
Also, they have guns there. You forget. They have guns.
They
We
have
do
guns
not
here
have
also.
Not like they do. bro.
350 का कट्टा मिलता है.
हाँ तो तभी तो कट्टा ले और तेरा हाथ फट जाएगा उसमें. और
नहीं
एक-
मैंने भी
एक-
मिर्जापुर देखी है ठीक है
एक-
मेरे
एक-
पास नहीं
एक
कट्टा.
बार चलती है कट्टा उसमें कुछ नहीं होता. जैसे वो the kind of guns they have, dude. You can just fucking buy a fucking rifle, dude. You can buy an automatic rifle. You walk into Florida, you get it in Walmart and shit apparently
Wow.
in Florida, right?
Amazon पे भी मंगा सकते हो I guess.
Amazon, I'm not so sure because in some some states probably, but a lot of states now you do require licenses, and in California there's a waiting period. So, for example, if you're contemplating suicide, you can't just walk up and get a gun. There's like a 2-3 week waiting period or something like that.
आपको अभी भी मरना है.
Huh? आपको भी मरना? Have you decided? Have you thought about it? Yeah. Have you tried pills? Have you tried slitting your wrists? Try all of it before
Tried getting laid.
try getting laid.
Yeah. Well, some people are just sad fucking sags just need to pick me up.
बोलो.
तो मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ तेरे टेंशन
बता क्या किसकी वेट कर रहे
फोन में देखता रहे बैंड लोड़े
There's fucking dead air. Pick it up, man. There's
What?
dead. Fucking loser,
Just
motherfucker.
dead air because you're busy doing other things.
I'm not busy doing nothing.
Look in my eyes आंखों में आंखें डाल के. That's the spirit. Okay. Now look.
Where is this dialogue from? Look at my eyes, आंखों में आंखें डाल के.
My heart, my soul.
अच्छा तूने बनाया अभी.
हाँ.
मेरे को लगा कि this is a very Bollywood type of
I'm a very Bollywood type of guy यार.
dialogue where you say you say the English word first because that's how it was written, and then you have to say यार थोड़ा हिंदी so जनता को समझा देते
I
हैं.
guess it's just.
Look at my eyes, आंखों में आंखें डाल के. Okay, who would talk like that?
I guess it's just my natural flow.
Yeah, but who in reality, I guess, would speak like that? It is insane.
I just did. This is the kind of guy I am, man. I'm just very attuned
Oh my god.
culturally.
Yeah, has your mother ever met Javed Akhtar and did he sweat next to her? Maybe, maybe you're the byproduct.
No. Thanks for saying Javed Akhtar because you really could have said Anu Malik as well.
Well,
So at least Javed Akhtar is.
well, the answer is no, but then probably Anu Malik, the answer is yes.
Anu Malik is not my father.
वो बहुत सही है. I love Anu Malik. I mean, of course, I ironically love Anu Malik, but I love him. You know,
Yeah.
yeah.
I love him. Not like a son though.
Not like a son.
He's not my father.
But so तूने I love him बोला है, तो how would you as a son love him like a son? अच्छा, love him like a, but you'd say I love him like a
I
father.
love Anu Malik.
Like a father.
Not like a son.
Not like a father
मतलब,
then.
like,
Yeah.
Not like a son would.
Yeah, you don't, you
हाँ.
said it wrong, incorrect.
You are wrong and incorrect, actually.
So, but you said it in that moment, it was you. So, fuck off. Fuck off, suck my dick.
Take your pick.
Hmm?
Take your pick.
I'll have my way. I'll get both. I'll get both done. And what next? What's next?
FIFA की नई गेम आ रही है, ठीक है? FIFA 25. Actually, it's not FIFA anymore. It's called FC 25. They changed it. EA की गेम. और उसमें 2 देसी गाने आ रहे हैं साउंड ट्रैक में. One is Gudu Nalo Ishq Mitha. Some remix version only, but
Okay.
Gudu Nalo Ishq Mitha.
You know, like Punjabi MCs, like they've got like a rap thing going or something.
Malkeet Singh or something. Anyway, whatever.
No, I'm saying, is it like a Punjabi MC type remix where they have?
I don't know what
like,
type of remix it is. I only heard a snippet. But
Yeah,
it
for
seems just a little
example,
more.
Jay-Z did वो क्या बोलते हैं? मुंडिया तो बच के रही. He did a remix. ना,
I
Jay-Z?
know that.
Yeah.
No, it's not that.
It's not like
type,
that.
I don't think it's hip hop.
Okay.
And there's another more DJ remix type sounding thing of Redola, 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 Redola.
I like that.
Huh?
Okay.
तो ये दोनों आ रहे हैं FIFA में, मजे आएंगे. Bro, imagine your team fucking losing or like an online game to some little Chinese kid in fucking Taiwan or whatever. Yes, they're all Chinese. And you get your ass kicked 7-0. It's like, good lal ishq ka mitha. Oh, you fucking want to do it.
और वो क्या बोलते हैं तुम्हारे someone scores a goal against you. बिल्लाले दे बटरिया, बिल्लाले बटरिया, दिल्लो, and then he's celebrating, you're crying, दिल्लो.
Loda re, loda re, loda re, loda. Tu loda re, loda, tu loda re, loda.
Loda le loda le loda le loda le loda le loda. Too slow. Nice. So you like that? You like the music in the game? I don't play video games, so I can't. I mean,
Generally, these FIFA games have very good soundtracks.
Interesting. Interesting.
I
I used to actually like. Yeah, you're right. So because I used to as a kid, 15 or 16, 15ish. I think my father bought me a PS3. That's the first console I ever got in my life. Never had a Game Boy, none of that shit. Never had a PS2, none of those X-Boys or whatever the fuck. Got me a PS3, and he got me a PS3 because he wanted a Blu-ray player. कहता है चल तू भी खेल लिए.
Yeah.
But it was too late. I was 15. I tried. I played. I had the God of War.
2015 or you were 15?
I was 15, and I think I was 15 in 2014.
No, man.
No.
No, man.
No,
That's why I'm asking.
Yeah. I was. Yeah. No,
2011?
No, I was 15. Yes. Yeah.
So 2011 times.
Correct. Yeah, and I used to play NFS Shift a lot. I really like NFS Shift.
NFS shit, as I used to call it my entire childhood.
I loved Shift because Shift was such good racing. But it was very technical. That's why I liked it. It was just a technical drifting race that I really enjoyed. It was no
फिर
मसाला.
तू असली गाड़ियों के साथ खेलने लग गया फिर उसके बाद तो फिर वो तो छूट ही जाएगा.
Correct.
हाँ.
Correct. And उससे पहले क्या whenever someone came to play FIFA, because I never had FIFA, I think I'm pretty sure I traded some game for PES. I think Anuj came to play PES with me this one time, and of course I couldn't because I suck at playing the video game soccers. I just kept
suck at playing video game soccers.
Whatever it is, FIFA or PES or whatever the fuck. I just my strategy was I got one goal in somehow. My strategy was just put outsides. I was just fouling non-stop, just kicking the ball out of the yeah.
That must have been an enriching experience for your friends playing with you.
Yeah, he played 2 games. He's like, yeah, listen, I'm gonna bounce. I'm out of here.
Wow. So you know how to get rid of people quick.
Correct.
Guys, you want to play FIFA?
When they're not playing the games that I want, and then I can just play Shift by myself because I don't need someone else to play Shift with.
But who are these grown men losers who are sitting at home and playing NFS Shift instead of taking cars out into the real world?
No wonder NFS Shift is such an old game. I don't even think it's
There
out.
must be some who are sitting and playing video games,
People do
driving
that.
instead of going out.
Ek baat bata. You can afford a fucking 50,000 rupee console and a 6,000 rupee game. Can you afford a 20 lakh, 30 lakh, 50 lakh car? Not necessarily, buddy. You think about the little guy, dude. You got to think about the little guy, man.
Yeah, the
You're such
little
an
guy,
elite.
little guy was buying a PS5.
You're such an elite.
Yeah. The poor daily wage laborer getting the PS5 on Blinkit.
No, but there's levels.
Instead of taking,
There are levels,
Yeah.
right? I mean, there are levels. You could buy a PS5, you could buy a simulator, or you could buy a fucking BMW M7 340i.
Or you can buy a racing team. It really depends on your standing in life.
Correct. If you're Lawrence Stroll, then you buy a certain stupid fucking team.
Yeah.
But then you also get the best fucking engineer in the world to make your car,
Because you could buy them too.
and then you're probably gonna get a top driver also in a couple of years.
Because you can buy him too.
But I don't think his son is going to win a car just because he's the best car, dude. I feel like the best driver that they get. Because Alonso, the 42-year-old fucking dinosaur, goat dinosaur,
Is keeping him out of the seat.
keeps beating him. No, he's not keeping him out of the seat.
Oh, he's beating him on the track. Yeah.
Yes, yeah. In any case,
Mozart is, believe it or not, dropping new music in 2024.
mhm.
They found some old shit that wasn't that's been arranged and made into a 12-minute piece or something, but it was Mozart's and it wasn't put out before.
Is the provenance confirmed for these things? For this thing? Because it's so suspect sometimes. For
It
example,
is quite sus. It's like when they
Right?
keep putting the new Michael Jackson shit out. These are all his old demos that
it's
he never
always
had.
suspect to me, especially considering what happened with the Salvatore Mundi thing. You know about that?
No.
Is supposed Leonardo DiCaprio,
Female
Leonardo da Vinci, Leonardo DiCaprio painting.
Right. And
was-
Salvatore Mundi, female for Munda.
Yes, correct.
Yes.
Yes, yeah. So, a purported Da Vinci new original had been found,
Purported.
purported, and sold to, I believe, they say it's MBS for about $500 million, and then they were like, "This is probably one of his students. It wasn't even him."
Wow.
And now it hasn't been seen since it sold at auction.
He probably
Do you get-
burnt.
He's probably on some yacht
And
somewhere,
it's-
bro. It's probably
उसपे दीमक पड़ रही है.
दीमक नहीं पड़ती ऐसी चीजों पे चूतिए. But ये क्या है, चूतिया काटा है. मैं वही कह रहा हूँ कि I'm always suspect because you can always, because you don't know, anyone who's similar, anyone who in the same time might have been similar or was his apprentice perhaps, like it was with Salvatore Mundi, right? Could have made that piece, and now you just, maybe because you have that IP, you can sell it, spin it
Right.
as Mozart. But if it's good, it's good. So
We'll never know if it was really him.
correct.
But speaking of MBS and rich,
Mortgage-backed securities.
Yes. Speaking of mortgaged bank securities.
Mortgage-backed.
Mortgage-backed securities. Oh, that's what led to the crash and shit in 2007. Okay. Anyway, speaking of those, apparently, mortgage-backed securities have paid.
Mohammed bin Sulayem, he's the president of the FIA, which is the Formula One governing body.
Wow.
He's also MBS actually,
Wow.
and he's an Arab, yeah. But he's Sulayem, not
MBS is
Sulaiman.
also probably what Munna Bhai got because he didn't finish entire college. So एक B रह गया. MBBS Munna Bhai MBBS.
What does
actually
MBBS stand for? Bachelor Science.
Master bastard.
Masturbatory Bachelor of Science.
ये
Masturbatory.
डॉक्टर वाला ना.
Yeah, what does the MBBS stand for? Do you know?
Baccalaureus कुछ पता नहीं होगा.
Mumbai, Bombay.
Mumbai, Bombay.
Shut up. What were you saying earlier?
नहीं, shut up end में आएगा
what
ना
did
वो
the-
इस पे.
what did MBS do? They actually,
I think the thing, the most expensive home in the world is his. That is
course.
in Versailles, I believe, or something.
sure.
It's
Yes,
some,
I know the one that
Some
actually,
$350
it's the one that
million
Kim Kardashian
mansion.
got married.
Really?
Yes,
I-
Kim and Kanye
she's
got
been
married.
married a few times. It's not.
Kim and
a-
Kanye got married there.
Oh wow.
Yes.
They only got married once.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I believe it's some $350 million or some shit or whatever that place, and he has like Da Vinci.
That's not the most expensive home in the world.
Mo-
वो तो $1 billion का तो ये है भैंचोद अपना अंटेला इसका मानी भाई का मोटा भाई का वो है
वो लंड खड़ा.
हाँ but it's more expensive. I don't know if it's the most expensive property in the world, dude. You've got your facts
देख,
wrong.
मेरे को
Let me ask ChatGPT. Who owns the most expensive property in the world and what is it? Residential property.
The most expensive private property in the world is believed to be the Buckingham Palace in London, valued at over $5 billion. Although it serves as the official residence of the British monarch, it is technically owned by the British Crown Estate and is not considered private property of the royal family. In terms of
List the next 5 on this list. List the next 5 on this list. ये बोल रही है। अब-
I can hear
अब
the
देख-
crickets.
List the next 5 on this list. Now she'll do it.
उसको पता ही नहीं कौन सा list.
Following Buckingham Palace and Antilia, here are 5 of the next most expensive properties in the world.
अच्छा Antilles ने बोला
1.
नहीं भूल रही.
Villa Leopolda.
It is
Located on the
Antilia.
French Riviera.
I guess, yeah.
This sprawling
So your facts are wrong. It is not MBS. It is Ambani-S.
Well, at least we all learned something. Yeah.
Following Buckingham here, 5 was Villa Leopoldo located on the French Riviera. This is 7th Brazilian financier. Fairfield Pond. Thomas Mansion, Bel Air, Kensington Palace, Ellison Estate. Yeah, 350 million is not even in the fucking list, but maybe this information is old.
Maybe.
Mayhaps. But I still think, yeah, Antilia is the most expensive. Not that that is anything. I mean, it doesn't fucking. It's not beautiful to me, you know.
No,
as a home, like
it's an ugly fucking thing.
yeah,
but-
I imagine for me, a beautiful home is like something on the French Riviera. You know, nice lawns, maybe a couple of stories. You know, give me like 4-story tops,
I mean, कोई बात
that
बता.
kind of thing. Yeah.
इतना बड़ा इतना ऊंचा लंबा घर है.
इतना ऊंचा लंबा घर है. इधर सोनी क्या? तो क्या करे? पहला ऊंचा लंबा कद. I forget the name of this.
The song.
Yeah,
ऊंचा लंबा कद.
ऊंचा
Yeah.
लंबा कद.
Kad नहीं kad.
Sorry,
Kad. Kad is what cows chew on.
I know. I was about to make the same joke.
Very funny. Very funny.
I fi-
Nice one. Good. Well done.
I guess you're not impressed with your own joke, buddy.
Listen,
because you're
listen,
fucking,
man.
you came up with the same.
Listen, man. I just say
dumbass.
something. You just say it in a roundabout way. That's
No,
really
listen, it's
just-
good. It's good to be self-deprecating every now and then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
Go
should
on.
learn.
Go on. You were saying something. क्या कह रहे थे तू अभी?
I don't fucking remember.
Good. Let's end the episode.